68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Tired of those health hacks that promise everything and deliver nothing? You're not alone. But I've got something that's a real game changer for your health journey. Sick of those anti aging products that never work? Let me unveil the transformation you've been searching for. Why don't current health tricks work? A lot of trends are just fluff, starving you of the nutrients you need and leaving you frustrated. My solution: antioxidant packed lifestyle choices. I've unearthed the latest research so your body absorbs all the good stuff. No more guesswork involved. Now, if you're wondering how to find supplements that support your health and aren't just a waste, scan the QR code on the screen now or visit website URL in your browser. This will take you directly to my free Informed Choices guide. It'll walk you through 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplement so you can feel confident that you're making the right choices. Habits packed with antioxidants obliterate those annoying free radicals, keeping you healthier and looking younger. Track your progress. Dive into antioxidants and free radicals. Witness how they enhance your health. We're talking real, visible changes. Not just feel good vibes. See the results. Forget fads that flop. Experience results you can actually see. Is knowing how much antioxidants is in your body important to you? Introducing the Wellness Test Scanner, the world's first device that allows you to monitor your antioxidant levels quickly and precisely. Health conscious individuals understand the importance of combating oxidative stress, yet ensuring that your supplements deliver measurable results is nearly only possible with the right tools. The Wellness Test Scanner revolutionizes the health game by providing you with instant, hassle-free measurements of your antioxidant levels so you will see your improvements over time. Crafted with state-of-the-art technology, it equips you to make well-informed health decisions and optimize your supplement routine. No more second guessing the effectiveness of your supplements. Now you can track your health progress over time with reliable data. How much do you think it's costing you not knowing this valuable data? This program is all about your unique needs. It's unlocking the best results just for you. It's all science-backed, delivering actual, noticeable results. Join thousands who are revolutionizing their health with us. Explore the powerful world of antioxidants and witness the transformation happen. Take charge of your health. No more guessing games. Start seeing real improvements in your well-being. Discover how antioxidants can shake things up and gain the health results you deserve. Ready for a change? Take that first step. How do you choose the right supplements? Scan the QR code before we wrap up. Our free guide, 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplements, is a step-by-step roadmap to selecting supplements for your health goals. Let me help propel you to a healthier you today.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2023.